Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie. I do makeup videos here on YouTube, and if you are new here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you happen to like this video and you absolutely enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So guys, for today's video, I want to do a review on a very popular brand, and it's called Sheglam. Yes! So about a month or two, I was really looking for makeup na gusto ko sanang i-review sa channel kasi wala lang, parang I needed something new in my collection kaya naisipan kong bilhin sila. And nagkataon din, naghahanap ako ng face palette na tulad ng Makeup Forever. Ayoko namang mag-try ng mga dupes talaga nun, yung exact dupes, kasi gusto ko FDA approved. And when I saw this one, this is actually the face palette of Sheglam, I really checked muna sa Google kung FDA approved sila. Okay, FDA approved. And nagulat din ako kasi yung price point niya para sa face palette na to ay 450 pesos lang. So, guys, happy ako sa naging outcome nito. Happy ako sa purchases ko sa kanila. Pero, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung ibig ko sabihin sa brand na to. Kung ready na kayo, wag na tayo maghintay. Let's do it. Alright, the very first that we're gonna try is this. Guys, ganito gagawin natin. Kasi to be very honest with you, when I first tried this out, it was too sticky. This is their primer. Pero I am going to give it a shot again today to see if they will really work together nga. So, ang gagawin natin, we're gonna like put half. I-half natin ang ating face. Lagyan natin dito sa gitna. I will put a line of foundation para lang makita nyo kung saan ko nilagay yung primer. I will apply It's the Good Grip Hydrating Primer. So, I'm gonna apply it on one side first of my face para lang makita natin talaga if it's gonna work out. And it's really sticky. Yun yung napansin ko dito. It seems like a good product, but I didn't give it a second thought because I was concerned about how sticky it is, and it was putting too much texture on my face. So let's really see this time how this will perform with the foundation. Okay, sounds like a good plan, guys. Also, by the way, it's summertime. So hindi ko talaga tatagalan yung ating testing today because napakainit. But I already have a good review for this. So, huwag yung masyadong isipin yung part na yon na yung hindi ko masyadong mabibigay. Hindi. Nagamit ko na to ng matagal. Kaya I am very much assured of the quality of this. It's just this one with the primer I haven't. Medyo natutuyo na. Baka dapat nga hinintay kong matuyo bago ko nilagay yung foundation now. Alright, next is this. It's the palette. Oh my gosh. So, this is all about that multifunctional face palette. I'm going to split the screen and show you the picture of this when I opened it up. That's the very first thing that I saw when I opened the packaging. But right now, I cannot, it's just so bad. Let me show you. This is how badly I have been using this. Ang dumi na niya. But wait lang ha. This is how I actually use this palette. So first, punta na tayo dito sa concealers niya. Let me just show you ha. This is the light one, and then this is the middle. This is the one that I've been using. One, two, three. All right, guys. These one, two, three, four concealers are the ones that I've been using as a base. And we're going to check. Wow, parang this suddenly, actually in this palette, this is the one that I've been using. But right now, it's really showing me, ooh, look at that. Parang nagdi-disappear siya sa akin. Ngayon ko lang nasubukan to. Let me do it again here. Oh my. Okay. Something different today. Okay? Susubukan natin. Guys, this is the one that I have been using. This shade. And it seems like right now, this is giving me like something near. I'm nervous. Parang, yeah, it is giving me that. Let's see that. All right, sige. So we're gonna skip this one because it seems a bit lighter to me now. We're gonna use this shade below. Let's see how it's gonna really fare on me. But definitely, when I wore this at an event and also my daughter's graduation, it was so hot at my daughter's graduation, but I still wore this. The makeup really stayed with me antagal. And hindi ako halos nag-retouch. Yun yung nangyari. Kaya sobra akong natuwa sa palette na to. So, teka lang ha. And it seems that it's giving me another reason to like it more because of the four concealers. I now can like, 'di ba? Ito oh, figure out ano kaya. If I mix the two, what's gonna happen ba? Let me just check, okay? No, masyadong malakas itong lighter shade. Mau-overpower na yung nasa gitna. Let me just, sige. Again, we will try this one and see how it's gonna really work out. All right, so let's do it with my foundation brush here. I'm gonna use this concealer. Wait nakabahan ako. Shucks. Bakit biglang ito nag-work? Okay, guys, I went back to walking. So, baka lang biglang ito na yung nag-work sa akin na foundation. Dahil naglalakad na ulit ako, nagbago na naman yung kulay ng skin tone ko ngayon. Kaya parang biglang ito yung nag-work. So, minsan, kaya nagiging messy. Ayan o, nagiging messy siya eh. Sige, let's do it. At ang kagandahan dito, at least natatry natin yung ibang mga shades and hindi lang talaga isa lang ang magagamit, which is good. This is the one with the primer, okay? Para lang it's really interesting how this um suddenly is the choice today. Wait a minute. Okay. This is the one with the primer, ha. And then when I was using this with the I'm not foundation, with the concealer foundation type na meron. Parang ayan no, nafe-feel ko, meron siya talagang reaction. Kaya hindi ko tinutuloy, kaya hindi ko ginagamit. Mukhang dapat yata talaga pinatuyo ko ng husto. Kasi I think at the time, hindi ko masyadong napatuyo. Ginamitan ko na agad ng concealer or ng foundation. Pero titingnan natin kahit titingnan talaga natin siya ngayon kung paano siya mag-work or kung hindi siya, ayan no, kasi feeling ko there's a reaction. Okay. Wow! I mean, gulat ako Wait lagyan natin yung next. It's impressive that right now, that's just exactly the shade that I used, the base that I used. Uy, interesting. I don't know if you see it, but let me just zoom in. All right. The thing about this is nor okay, I have texture on me and I'm worried that this is the one with the primer. And I feel like it creates more bumps and textures than this because when I was using this like long enough, like under the sun and sa aircon, it felt really like mas smooth ito than the one with the primer. Kaya hindi ko ginamit yung primer dun sa dalawang events na pinuntahan ko. So, let's see now kung gaano anong magiging result nito. Alright, tapos na tayo sa base. Now, we're gonna move on to contour with the same palette, of course. So, this one, okay guys, hindi, kailangan ko itry na ngayon kung alin ang dapat kong gamitin. Okay, this is the middle. This is the lightest one. That can tend to be more orange. This is like ashy dark. You can also use this darker concealer. Ayun. Oh, see you. I just love to play around with these things. Nakakatuwa. Okay, the concealer, of course, you can always use the concealer. This is the concealer, and it's so, like, nakakatuwang gamitin. Let me just try out this other. If you mix it with the darker one, I think you can produce something from here because I mixed that concealer, this one, with this one. It's producing like the shade. And gamitin natin. Huwag natin sayangin. Let's use it here. Somehow I've been using my fingers all throughout this and I shouldn't. Let's see, ah. Pwede, ah. Parang kasi it created that exact, the tendency of these bronzers sometimes is that it's too yellow on me, and then sometimes it's too ashy. So, okay, so far that combination really did it. And then we're gonna put some on our forehead. Bobby Brown said we don't need a contour. She could actually be right because, hey, OG na eh. It's an innovation that just came out like a year, not so much. I mean, after the bronzer, sayang eh, gamitin natin. And then it's a new thing and I'm getting impressed by it by the minute. We're gonna do this side with alam mo, parang ang sakto talaga, oh. Parang nakuha niya talaga yung bronze that I wanted or I needed. So, and then it's like a hint of bronze lang. It's not super, a hint of contour. Kaya na nga. No helmet head, please. New shade for me. Galing, no? Tuwa ako. Because I was using a different shade. Kaya pala, you really need at least three shades para meron kang pang summer, meron kang pang cool weather. Kasi ngayong summer, wala. Talagang sunog ako. Wala akong magawa. At hindi pa ako nagsiswimming niyan, ha. Lalo pa ako napa-impress nito, ah. Galing, ah. That's it for contour. We're now gonna move on to blush. Okay, next is blush. And to be very honest with you, these two are not so good for me. With this palette, ito yung pinaka nanghina ako kasi hindi sila ganun katagal gamitin. Pero for this video, let's try it pa rin. With, first, let me just, this blush, lagay natin. It's kind of coral. Coral siya, oh. Ayan. Lagay natin siya dito. Super punchy siya. Kaya natutuwa ako dito. Since ginawa ko siyang base, after the powder, I will apply something else. Para lang makita natin how these She Glam products separately work together. And then on top later, I will be using this one. So, wait lang ah. Now we're gonna move on to the eyes. This palette does not have eyeshadow. Ang gagawin na lang natin, since we like golds, we are gonna use the highlighter. And this is actually their highlighter for this palette. This one, this very gold one. And when I wore this during those two events, galing! Kasi hindi na ako nagdala talaga ng, sabi ko, kailangan magamit ko yung highlighter as an eyeshadow na. And ayan siya. Kita ba? Parang di ako, yung payoff niya hindi masyado. Let me just swatch it. Ayan, yung swatch. Hindi masyadong kita eh. But it's okay. It's like a candlelight type of highlighter and I really just want to use it as an eyeshadow. So, wait a second. Okay, I think I need more because parang nakukulangan ako ng kaunti with the dark one, this one. Let me just apply here at the back. Or we can actually mix them together. Let me just. It is so messy, guys, but you know what? Parang this is the best way to test your makeup. Yan, nagkaroon ng konting-konting depth. Yan, there's a little bit. Yan, lumabas na siya. Pwede pala talaga. Everything is cream-based. So we're gonna move on now to the eyeliner. This was something you guys know me and my brown eyeliner. I love it so much. So, like, it's really, really nice. Yun lang, kailangan mo siyang parang retractable siya. This is like a really beautiful, rich brown. Now, let me show you how good this is because the very reason I fell in love with this is because you can smudge it, you can work it so that you can create a really nice wing with it. It is so, you can manipulate it. That is what I like in an eyeliner. Kaya this is such a good buy for me because it's so creamy, but it will not, and it's tested, it's not gonna run on you, hindi siya mawawala, waterproof siya. I'm gonna link everything below para malaman nyo kung ano tong mga binili ko. But it's so, look at, see? Ang ganda. Yan. 'Di ba? Hang on. I'm gonna put on mascara and eyeliner and then we're gonna move on to powder. Okay, so we're back. And right now, nilagyan ko na ng powder. Naglagay na rin ako, inayos ko na rin, tinapos ko na yung eyes ko and also my lips. So, hang on. All right, let's address it. Texture. It is just something I can no longer worry about. Pero may mga araw, kailangan mo pa rin kasi talaga mag-makeup. Lalo na kung may pictures, meron ka nga attendang formal event, hindi pwedeng wala. Kasi mas hindi ka naman dressed up pag wala kang makeup. It is really just a matter of time to find the best makeup that works for you. This needs a bit of time. I'm gonna do a test later, but before that, I will show you this one. Kasi ito yung dalawang favorite ko na nabili ko from Shiglam. So first, this is the shade Brisk Babe, and then this is the Cherry Express. This is Brisk Babe. The darker one is definitely Cherry Express. So what we're gonna use today, let me use Brisk Babe today. I will be using this blusher again. I used Maybelline for my powder today so that hindi siya mag-react with the blusher that we're applying now. Natin ng konting ilong. So these two blushes I absolutely love because if you notice, these blushers are so juicy. They are so pigmented. I know that they wanted to do the Pixie blushers, right? Cream blushes for 240 to 250 pesos. I'm gonna link everything below. These are so juicy, so moisturizing, and the pop of color is really just there. Kaya sobra kong ginagamit. Never na tong umalis sa bag ko. And regardless of which color I use, they work so well. Talagang even the cherry exp, look at that. Look at how pink and kahit maglagay tayo dito ng konting because you know me and blush. I love popping blush. Yun lang talaga ang fave ko. I don't like muted blushes. I think I've accepted that in my life. I tried, but I don't like it when it's not there. And this is just right. It's giving me amazing payoff. Kaya sobra-sobra ko silang gusto. So yeah, eto na siya. This is the final look, guys. So this is the final look. Guys, I am so happy with She Glam. Like, these products that I got from them were so on point. Sobra kong na-enjoy itong brand na to. Itong first batch of stuff that I got from them. Sobra akong natuwa kasi hiyang sa akin. And hindi ko na kailangan bumili pa nung mahal na makeup forever na kinakabahan ako kung mag-workout yun sa skin ko o hindi. But this one worked. it worked so well on my skin. Worked in the last two times that I've used it, and it worked again today. And the best part about today is I used a different shade of concealer slash foundation for this. At first, I was using the lighter one, and now I was using something that was nearest to my shade now. Why? Because it adjusted to my sudden lifestyle change, which is I started walking again. My gosh, sa sobrang init ngayon guys, 7 a.m. Sobrang nasusunog na agad yung skin ko. Kahit na nagsa-sunblock ako, hindi talaga maiwasan. Your complexion will really change at any moment that you go under the sun. This just made my day today because oh my goodness. Wait, I have to test it. I will at least give you how it will fare after I eat my lunch because I need you to see what I mean about this makeup lasting for hours. So, stay put. We're gonna be back. So I'm back. It's been about an hour and a half since I did my video, and let me share with you my final thoughts about the products that I used from Shiglam. Okay, you know what? I have this rotating mirror. The other one shows you all the textures of your skin, and then the other one shows you a matte look. So somehow it's giving me a bit of confusion because hindi ko tuloy masabi sa iyo ngayon what's real and what's not. What can you see and what is yung sobrang lapit naman na yata na talagang kitang-kita mo na yung texture. So I'm not gonna rely on this mirror or okay. I'm gonna rely on the regular mirror na ang pinapakita sa akin ay matte na face. So guys, I retouched already. I applied powder because it was just too hot earlier kanina. It was so humid because it started to rain. But if you look at the skin right now, if I get to compare, this area seems to have more product pa than this one. This area, I feel like talagang mas natunaw siya this time than the one with the primer. And also, this one, if you look at the mirror talaga, yung malapitang mirror, it's really showing me texture no matter which side. Yun lang, mas nagkakaroon ng creases itong side na to dun sa mas malapitang mirror kasi parang, yun nga parang mas natunaw siya this time compared to this side. The side with the primer showed less melting than this side. I really stayed downstairs na talagang mahuhulas talaga ang makeup. So, buti na lang na-test natin kasi nakita natin na nag-work naman pala to. Alright, next are the blushes. Guys, they really come off. If you really need to use this, an under base, pwede naman kasi hindi naman siya absolutely natanggal. Andyan pa rin naman siya. Ang ginawa ko last time, ito yung pinang underpaint ko and then nilagyan ko ng Juvia's Place on top. So, na-retain talaga ang tibay ng blush ko kasi ito na yung pinaka-ibabaw niya. Kumbaga, hinold na nito kung ano man ang nagagawa nito. But if you use this on like a regular day na wala kang makeup, okay to, hindi to madaling natatanggal. To kasi siguro natakpan na siya ng powder, na-subdue na siya ng powder, na-subdue na siya ng concealer, hindi na siya nag-work. So, pero again, as an underpaint, you can you can trust it. Kasi ayan kahit papaano meron pa eh. Kailangan lang talaga yung ibabaw mo, matibay na blush din para ma-hold niya yung color. At least, that's my theory. Third, guys, this is among everything that I bought. Ito na ngayon ang masasabi kong next na maaasahan mong eyeliner. Sobrang galing niya. At tinan mo naman, ang ganda pa rin. Hindi nagbi-bleed, hindi natatanggal yung shade. Sobrang okay. Ang tibay niya na kohl pencil. At hindi mo na siya kailangan pang tasahin. Which is sa akin, ay salamat. Kasi minsan naiinis ako magtasa ng eyeliner. Either natatanggal yung liner or hindi mo matasa properly. Kaya this is one of those na mabibili ko ulit kapag naubos na. Kasi ang galing niya ang ganda talaga. Sana lang hindi siya mabilis tumigas. Yun lang ang, di ba? Para mas matagal mong gamitin. Last but definitely not the least, okay, yung multifunctional palette nila. Okay. Syempre guys, hindi ito makeup forever. But for the price, parang okay na. Sa akin, natuwa ako because, remember, if you've watched my previous videos, I had to change foundation because the Estee Lauder was suddenly too orange or too dark on me. So what I do is I mix the two, be able to create that correct shade match of foundation sa akin. What this provided us today is the shade, because there are four shades that you can actually mix and match depending on the state of your skin as of the moment. And the fact that just last April I was able to use this, and then now I was able to use the shade. So because of the lifestyle change that I suddenly have, because it's just too hot and then talagang naaarawan ako, nangingitim talaga tayo kahit anong mangyari. So, nagbago yung skin ko, nagbago yung complexion. So, nagamit ko to. And yun yung natutuwa ako dito. Kasi suddenly, meron ka ng enough product to be able to gauge ano yung shade ng skin mo dun sa panahon na ginamit mo siya. It also did not disappoint with the contour, because you can also mix the contour with the concealers or maybe these ones. And I haven't really tried the green and the orange. I should, para lang makita natin. It's good that I was able to mix this contour with this darker concealer because it helped me create the perfect contour shade for me. You know what? That is one thing na hanggang ngayon hindi ko ma-perfect. Hindi ako makahanap ng saktong bronzer. Yung talagang saktong-saktong contour para sa akin. Feeling ko nakukulangan ako kapag either too dark or too light, things like that. But definitely, it did the work that was required of it today. Kaya I am so impressed, so happy. But guys, the only setback, ang dumi. Ang siguro ang pinaka the best na gawin mo dito, pag gagamitin mo siya pagkatapos linisin mo na lang talaga. But definitely, it's worth 450. Anything more than it's not. Yun naman yun. But it's a good makeup to have, at least, because it's it gives you the flexibility to really find out what shade is going to work on you, especially with the changing seasons. So guys, that is it for today's video. I was really so excited to have worn this, to have used this today, and the good thing about it is that I was able to really test it and find out the quality. Maybe one day, no, matry na natin yung mas mahal. We don't know. But while we are waiting on that, let's just enjoy this cheap alternative. And so that is it for today's video. I am so happy that you got this far, and I really sure hope to see you again on the next. Have a great day, guys. Goodbye.